Hey guys, Realme are all set to launch new smartphone Realme 12 Pro and Realme 12 Pro Plus in India 31 January 2024, and Realme officially showed that the Realme 12 Pro and Realme 12 Pro Plus hands-on image and video. Yes, design-wise the phone almost look like Realme GT5 Pro. The smartphone built with glass front and back with plastic frame. The smartphone comes with 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution T8 LTPS OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Realme 12 Pro comes with Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 SoC. Both phones running Android 14 with Realme UI 5. And the most highlighted feature is the periscope zoom lens. Yes, the budget phone also comes with periscope zoom lens. Realme 12 Pro comes with triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and the front is come with 16 megapixel selfie shooter. Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with a triple camera setup in the back, triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor who is Sony IMX890 plus 8 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel OP64B periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and the front is come with single 32 megapixel selfie camera. So in the camera department, the Realme 12 Pro Plus going to be best. Both phones also powered by 5000 mAh battery with 67 watt fast charger, and Realme 12 Pro also come with Rolex edition. The phone also come with stereo speaker, in-display fingerprint scanner, face lock. So I am very much excited about Realme 12 Pro Plus. Let me know in the comment section your thought. So that's pretty much for today's video. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and as always I will be catch you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.